Hello, the following is the solution to example 14 in section 1.4. It was the problem you should have already done on your own. X cubed minus 125 equals 0 is what we want to solve. I'm going to rewrite this. This is x cubed minus 125. What cubed gives you 125? If you need to go over here, write down all of your cubes and see which one works. Well, that's going to be 5 cubed. Then I need to factor this. The factorization, start out with my first factor. I drop the cubes, and that leaves me with x minus 5. Then I square the first term. I square the last term. That gives me a positive 25 because anything squared is positive. Multiply these two together, gives me negative 5x, but whenever I change the sign, gives me a positive 5x. Same sign, opposite sign, always positive. Using the zero factor property, that gives me x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. This first one is easy. I just add 5 to both sides. So x equals 5. This one you have to use the quadratic formula on because it cannot be factored. It will never be able to be factored when you use the sum or difference of two cubes. So that gives me a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 25. b squared minus 4ac is going to be 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 25. 5 squared is 25. 4 times 1 times 25 is 100. And there's only one negative, so it's a minus sign. 25 minus 100 is negative 75. And if you're not positive, go ahead and do the factor tree, but that's going to be negative 25 times 3. So the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Negative b is the opposite of this number, so that's negative 5, plus or minus the square root of negative 25 times 3. All over 2 times 1, which is 2. So that gives me negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 25 is 5i, and I'm left with 3 inside the radical, all over 2. Now notice, 5, 5, and 2 share no common factor. Therefore this can't be simplified. But because it is a non-real complex number, you need to go ahead and break this up into two separate fractions. So this gives me negative 5 over 2 plus or minus 5i root 3 over 2. Or this I can go out here in front. So I have three solutions, 5 and negative 5 over 2 plus or minus 5i root 3 over 2. So write that down in your solution set. 5, comma, negative 5 over 2 plus or minus 5i root 3 over 2.